Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the top 10 most contagious viruses. Viruses are tiny infectious agents that can reproduce only inside the living cells of an organism. They are responsible for a wide range of diseases, from the common cold to more serious illnesses like HIV and Ebola. So, what are the top 10 most contagious viruses? Number 10, Influenza virus. Also known as the flu, this virus is highly contagious and spreads easily through the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes. The flu can also be transmitted through contact with surfaces or objects contaminated with the virus. Number 9, Coronavirus. This virus made headlines in 2020 with the outbreak of COVID-19, a respiratory illness caused by the SARS-CoV-2 strain of the coronavirus. The virus is highly contagious and spreads through respiratory droplets when an infected person talks, coughs, or sneezes. Number 8, Measles virus. Measles is a highly contagious respiratory illness caused by the measles virus. It spreads easily through the air when an infected person talks, coughs, or sneezes. Measles can also be transmitted through contact with surfaces or objects contaminated with the virus. Number 7, Mumps virus. Mumps is a contagious illness caused by the mumps virus. It spreads through saliva and respiratory secretions when an infected person talks, coughs, or sneezes. Number 6, Rubella virus. Also known as German measles, rubella is a highly contagious illness caused by the rubella virus. It spreads through the air when an infected person talks, coughs, or sneezes. Rubella can also be transmitted through contact with surfaces or objects contaminated with the virus. Number 5, Adenovirus. This virus is highly contagious and can cause a wide range of illnesses, including respiratory infections, conjunctivitis, and gastroenteritis. Adenovirus spreads through respiratory secretions when an infected person talks, coughs, or sneezes. Number 4, Rhinovirus. This virus is the most common cause of the common cold. It spreads easily through the air when an infected person talks, coughs, or sneezes. Rhinovirus can also be transmitted through contact with surfaces or objects contaminated with the virus. Number 3, Parainfluenza virus. This virus is highly contagious and can cause respiratory infections, such as bronchitis and croup. It spreads through respiratory secretions when an infected person talks, coughs, or sneezes. Number 2, Respiratory syncytial virus, RSV. This virus is highly contagious and can cause respiratory infections, especially in young children and older adults. It spreads through respiratory secretions when an infected person talks, coughs, or sneezes. Number 1, Norovirus. This virus is highly contagious and is the leading cause of gastroenteritis, also known as the stomach flu. It spreads through contact with an infected person or through contaminated food or water. Thanks for watching. Remember to wash your hands frequently and practice good hygiene to protect yourself from these and other contagious viruses.